everyone to the Brainy Brothers channel. In this video, I'll be telling you how to do voiceovers in a PPT and how to convert that PPT into an MP4 video. So, let's get started. So, to do a voiceover, you will simply go to slideshow and then record. So here are a lot of options, so we'll go through them one by one. So let's start with notes. So if you have text on your slide, you can just simply speak that text. But if you don't have text on your slide and the recording you have to do is pretty long, you can, let me just close this. Yes, so you can go here, notes, and here you can type in any notes. For example, welcome back to the Brainy Brothers channel. So, well, of course nobody would forget it. It's a very short note, but it is just an example. So now if we go to record and go to notes, here we can see our notes. Here you can adjust the font size of your notes as per your requirement. So let's say like this much because the notes are pretty short. And then we have the record, stop, and replay button. So here you can click on this record button, and now the recording is started. So all I'm saying is being recorded, and then we have this pause button. So if you forget something while you're recording, you can just click on this pause recording, and now it's just temporarily paused. It's not stopped, it's just paused. So now you can click on resume recording, and now you can say whatever you want to say, and then you can click on stop, and now the recording is stopped. Now if you want to hear your recording, you can click on replay, but we don't want to hear. Let's just go through all of these tools now. So first is the laser pointer. So if you want to draw your viewer's attention to a point, you can just choose this laser pointer, and you can circle this and say this is the cathedral, or this is its reflection. So it's a pretty handy tool. And then we have the pen tool. So here you can just scribble up anything you want while you're recording. And then you have the highlighter. So here you can highlight anything like this. And then we have the eraser tool. So here you can erase anything. And then we have the colors. You can pick any color. And next we have the turn on microphone button. So if you want to turn off your microphone, if you don't want your voice while you're recording, you can just click on this. And if you want your video as you're recording, you can just click on it. And if you want to preview your video while you're recording, you can just click on this button. And next we have this clear existing recordings button. So if you click on it, you can clear recordings on your current slide or clear recordings on all slides as per your requirement. And then we have the settings. So here you can choose whatever microphone or camera you want to choose. Now we can close this, and here is our voiceover. So here we can hear it. And if I go to transitions, here you can see PowerPoint has set up the slide duration according to my voiceover, which is pretty handy. And now we have to convert it into a video. So to convert it into a video, we can go to File, Export, Create a Video, and here we can choose the quality of our video. We can go up to 4K, and we can even choose HD or standard, but I would recommend using 4K or 180p, or else your quality of your video would be really low. And you don't have to do anything with this tool. It would just clear all your recordings, so we don't have to do anything with this tool. And next we have seconds spent on each slide, so you can just bring it down to 0 seconds. And then we have this create video button. We can just click on it, and then we can save our video anywhere. For example, desktop. We can name it Netherlands, and then you can choose MP4 video or Windows Media Video, and then you can click on save. Now you can see this video is being made, so it will take some time. So I'll meet you when this video is over. So the video is done. We can click on it. You can hear my voice. I was explaining you how to do the voiceovers. So let me just close this video. So now you know how to do voiceovers and convert those PPTs into videos. Thank you for watching our video. Brainy Brothers are signing up for now. Bye bye. See you soon in our next video.